Hey, what's up guys, it's Matt, welcome back to the channel, and this is going to be an unboxing and review of this guy, which is the MOFT magnetic phone grip stand. So yeah, let's get right into it. Pretty straightforward branding, cardboard and plastic packaging, par for the course. Looks like it does have a quick little couple of demo pictures. You can put it in a 90-degree vertical standing mode, portrait mode where it flips out, and then it looks like a couple more positions, and then it does list the overall size, weight, dimensions, and thickness, coming in at a whopping 0.2 inches or 6 millimeters and weighing 1.3 ounces or only 37 grams. And the materials are made with vegan leather, magnets, metal sheets, and aluminum alloy. So the price on this guy is 30 bucks, $29.99 off Amazon. Let's open it up and see if it impresses or not. Not recommended for bare phones or non-magsafe compatible cases. Our quality feels really good so far. Let's get a little bit better lighting up in here. Okay, so now if you guys didn't already know, you can get these in a number of colors, which I believe does include this orange, black, blue, a magnetic gray, yellow, and what looks like gray. Okay, let's push that to the side and try this guy out. Okay, so it definitely does have a very interesting folding design. Oh wow, okay. So there's a magnet in this this side, the end of that tip, and it magnetizes onto that flap when it gets there onto that point. Let's check the magnet strength. Okay, wow, yeah. Okay, I'm actually really liking this so far. Okay, so far I'm really liking this. I can see why they made this plastic end smooth, so it can rotate on the MagSafe case without much of an effort. So let's try that out. Okay, that works pretty good. Nice little viewing angle right there. Okay, it looks like you can get it at 2 different angles depending on which side you want to twist it to. So a little bit more of an angle for viewing when you look at it that way. And then if I'm not mistaken, I think you're supposed to slip your hands or fingers in between there just like that to hold it and use it as a grip. All right, works pretty good. So far, I'm kind of impressed. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna try to replicate what here on the packaging. It looks like it's like a straight up stand for 90 degrees. Okay, so it looks like that's the position that it's supposed to be in. But it's not like it will actually stick to the phone in that position though. Or, well actually it kind of does a little bit, but not with the same strength as MagSafe. So let's try that out. Let's just sit it there. Yeah, it holds it up. Yeah, and then it looks like you just unfold it and then snap it back on just like that. Okay, so pretty cool stuff. I think later on I'll probably do an updated review on how well this thing stands up to wear and tear. I do feel like the vegan leather is pretty decent quality, but you know, it can only hold up and stand up to so much for so long. So as I continue to use this, I'll have to make sure that I keep you guys updated on it. But for now, yeah, the quality seems pretty good. The color choices are pretty good. And like I said, for 30 bucks, I would say you're kind of more than getting your money's worth. All right, guys, as always, link is in the description down below if you want to pick up one of these guys for yourselves. That's another quick little review in the books, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.